Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm glad you stopped by. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious no-bake lemon cheesecake. This cheesecake will sit in a buttery graham cracker crust, and it's going to be topped with a homemade lemon curd. Very delicious. This is part of an Easter collaboration that's hosted by my friends I'm Melissa and Christy's Farmhouse, and many other wonderful channels. I'll leave links to the channels in the description below. There are a few things we need to do before we actually get into making this cheesecake. We have a little bit of prep work. We need to grind graham crackers up in a food processor. We need to zest some lemons and squeeze some lemon juice. Now that our graham crackers are all ground up, nice and fine, I'm gonna add some brown sugar to the graham crackers. Mix this around. This is 1 stick of salted butter, not unsalted, salted. We're gonna mix our brown sugar and the butter with the graham cracker crumbs until everything comes together. This is the texture that you want. I have a 9-inch springform pan. Take our graham cracker mixture and put it into our springform pan, and I'm going to pat it down with my fingers. And then I'm going to even everything out with the bottom of a measuring cup. This is how our graham cracker crust should look once it's in the springform pan. We need to chill this in the freezer for about 20 minutes. While that's happening, let's move on to our filling. For the filling, I have 3 8-ounce packages of full-fat cream cheese, and we're gonna beat this on medium speed until everything is softened and looks smooth. Now I'm gonna add our sugar, and we're gonna keep on beating. Now I'm gonna add some confectioner's sugar, lemon zest from earlier. We'll pop that in there, along with our fresh lemon juice, a little bit of sour cream. And again, we're gonna beat this until everything is combined. Last thing we need to do for our filling is whip up some whipped cream and a little bit of vanilla, and then we're gonna fold that into our lemon mixture. Now I'm gonna take our mixture and I'm just gonna dump it right in here, right into our springform pan. Now with my offset spatula, I'm just gonna make everything nice and even in the pan. All right, this is what our cheesecake should look like. Nice and even on the top. And we have to chill this in the refrigerator for 12 hours to overnight. I know, darn, but we do. But in the meantime, I had an idea, and I thought, why don't we make a lemon curd and we can put that on the top. Here's our lemon cheesecake. I think it came out really nicely from the springform pan. So I'm gonna take the lemon curd and make a little border around like that. I'm just gonna take my offset, kind of spread this around so it's all nice and even. And now for the whipped cream. There we go. Yummy, yummy. Wow, that came out really nice. Well, that's it for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, check out I'm Melissa and Christy's Farmhouse, who are the hosts of this collaboration, along with the other channels, and I'll have all of them in a playlist on my description. Also, check out my recipe video for lemon curd. I'll put that link in my description below as well. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you next time.